Let's take a look at the skills approach to leadership. The skills approach is a leader-centered perspective that emphasizes the competencies of leaders. It's best represented in the early work of Katz and the three-skill approach, and the more recent work of Mumford and his colleagues, who initiated the development of a comprehensive skills model of leadership. In the three-skill approach, effective leadership depends on three personal skills: technical, human, and conceptual. The leader competencies at the heart of the model are problem-solving skills, social judgment skills, and knowledge. These competencies are directly affected by the leader's individual attributes, which include the leader's general cognitive ability, crystallized cognitive ability, motivation, and personality. Strengths include it's a leader-centered model, available to everybody, it maps to effective leadership performance, and provides a structure for leadership education. Weaknesses include that the model extends beyond the boundaries of leadership, it's weak in predictive value, individual traits do play a large role, and it's constructed using data from military personnel. Until the model has been tested with other populations, such as small and large organizations and businesses, its basic tenets still must be questioned. Let's take a look at the strengths of the skills approach to leadership. In several ways, the skills approach contributes positively to our understanding about leadership. First, it's leader-centered model that stresses the importance of developing a particular leadership skills. It's the first approach to conceptualize and create a structure of the process of leadership around skills. Second, the skills approach is intuitively appealing. To describe leadership in terms of skills make leadership available to everybody. Third, the skills approach provides an expansive view of leadership that incorporates a wide variety of components, including problem-solving skills, social judgment, knowledge, individual attributes, career experiences, and environmental influences. Last, the skills approach provides a structure that's very consistent with the curricula of most leadership education programs. Clearly, the skills approach provides a structure that helps to frame the curricula of leadership education and development programs. Let's take a look at the criticisms of the skills approach to leadership. Like all other approaches to leadership, the skills approach also has certain weaknesses. First, the breadth of the skills approach seems to extend beyond the boundaries of leadership. For example, by including motivation, critical thinking, personality, and conflict resolution, the skills approach addresses more than just leadership. Second, related to the first criticism, the skills model is weak in predictive value. It does not explain specifically how variations in social judgment skills and problem-solving skills affect performance. In addition, the skills approach can be criticized for claiming not to be a trait model when in fact a major component of the model involves individual attributes which are trait-like. The final criticism of the skills approach is that it may not be substantively or appropriately applied to other contexts of leadership. Although some research suggests these Army findings can be generalized to other groups, more research is needed to address this criticism.